Hi guys, welcome to the second part of our tutorial on how to modify PGHB or header bidding timeout. So when you log into tools.monetizemore.com, you go to dbadmin, DFP, and then network. Search for your publisher in here. So you have here the display name. So this is going to be your DFP account name, or you can also search using the DFP network ID or network code. So in this case, this is the DFP account for lifehack.org, which we will be using in this tutorial. So once you have located the account, you go ahead and click on this pencil icon to edit record. Scroll down and look for the field that says timeout. All right, let me try if there's another timeout here. There is. Okay. If you see DB admin timeout, just go ahead and ignore it. All you need to edit here is this one. So set up the number of milliseconds you want for the timeout, then go ahead and save it. Once that's saved, you go ahead and open the relevant config for your publisher. If there are multiple configs, open each of them and make sure that you save and publish to push the changes live. Save, publish. The next thing you need to do is to check to make sure it's live and the changes are in production. So open the relevant URL or the page where the ads are running and append it with m2debug equals true and pg null bids excluded equals disabled to run our config test. Here you should see the DFP timeout and bidder timeout with exactly the same setting as you have in dbadmin. Another thing is while you have this enabled or appended in the URL, right-click, inspect, go to the console, at the bottom type in m2hb.get timeout with open close parentheses and this semicolon, enter. And that should give you the correct value for the timeout set. Now this works for most publishers, especially for those with off-page setup. If the publisher has a timeout set on page, that will take precedence. Here is one example. So this publisher has, let me just enlarge, an M2 timeout set on page. So even if you change on dbadmin like 1.5 and there's an on-page timeout set, this will always take precedence. As of now, the only code that could override the on-page setting are those with the ADX HD floors or machine learning codes in it. For more updates, make sure you check out the AddUp Scrum notes and recordings. David talks about timeout updates in there. That's it for now, and we're gonna release another tutorial videos in case this SOP changes. Thanks, guys.